You are being replaced. Let me explain. If you're not using AI in 2026, you're not early, you're not cautious, and you're not waiting for the right moment. You're already behind. And the most dangerous part isn't how fast AI is improving. It's how many people still believe this doesn't affect them. When most people hear AI, they think of chatbots, strange images, or something only programmers need to care about. But AI is already shaping real decisions: who gets hired, who gets promoted, and who quietly becomes unnecessary. Not loudly, not dramatically, but efficiently. Every major technological shift in history followed the same pattern. At first, people laughed at it. Then they ignored it. Then they resisted it. And finally, they regretted not learning it sooner. The internet was dismissed as a toy. Smartphones were considered pointless. Social media was just for kids. AI is now in that exact phase. People say they don't need it. They say it's just a trend. They say they'll learn it later. But later is a dangerous word. Because while you wait, companies aren't debating the future. They're already rebuilding the present. Not in headlines, in spreadsheets. What makes AI different from every technology before it is simple? It doesn't just help people do their jobs better. It changes what a job even is. In the past, technology increased human productivity. Now, technology performs parts of the work itself. Writing, designing, researching, analyzing, planning, customer support. Tasks that once required experience now require clarity. This isn't automation in the traditional sense. It's the replacement of functions. And when functions disappear, roles follow. Right now, a quiet divide is forming. Not between rich and poor. Not between educated and uneducated, but between people who use AI and people who don't. Imagine two people in the same position. Same education, same intelligence, same job title. One of them uses AI to think faster, write clearer, research deeper, and automate repetitive work. The other relies only on effort. After a few months, one looks exceptional. The other looks replaceable. Not because one is smarter, but because one has leverage. Businesses don't wake up thinking about how to replace people. They think about output, efficiency, and cost. If one person using AI can do the work of three, that's not a philosophical discussion, that's math. And math always wins. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't take breaks. And it keeps improving. So the real question isn't whether AI will replace jobs. The real question is whether you'll be the one using it or competing against it. This doesn't mean you need to become a programmer. It doesn't mean you need to understand how AI works internally. It means you need to stop avoiding it. You need to learn how to use AI as a tool, to organize your thoughts, to learn faster, to create more, to plan better, to solve problems efficiently. The people who win in this shift won't be AI experts. They'll be AI users. People who treat AI as leverage, not a threat. This channel exists for one reason: to help you understand AI without confusion, to use it practically in real life, and to stay ahead of the curve instead of chasing it. No hype, no fake promises, no noise. Just real AI explained clearly. If this video made you think differently about AI, subscribe. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly how I'd start using AI from zero in 2026. Step by step, with no technical background required. That video will be live soon. Make sure you don't miss it. Because in 2026, AI is not optional.